Welcome back. As I told you that in this video I will work with the footer. So as you can see, there is nothing in the footer. You can see the difference. So first, if you can see there is a, icons, right? So if I want to include this icon or visible, so I have need to include something from my previous project. The icon means, so here you can see the plugins. So I will just copy it from here and bring it to my project. So I'll paste it here. Paste it. Okay, now I pasted it. So in plugins, I will not use everything. So you can see then there's a font awesome free. Then let's go to CSS. So what I will use this file. So first thing I have to do, I need to include it in the style in the head. So for that I will use link. Relation is same as style sheet and href equals to plugins. So let me check out name. First, what is this plugins? So I have to write plugins, then font awesome free, then CSS, then all the main to CSS. So I need to include it first. Then let's go to the footer section. So here you can see the footer. Okay, footer first what I'll do, I will give a horizontal line so that it will look like before, like in my project. So after that what I'll do, I will take a p tag, and here I will write something like connect with social media. Okay, after that what I'll do, I will take another one div for the icons. So let's make give a class names social icon, social icon. So there's a div named social icon. Under the div what I will do, what I will take under the div I will take like I, let's say I for now. So inside that I will use class. So what class? So first I will bring Facebook. So Facebook square. Then zoom is let's say far 3x, so it will zoom. So now if I save it and go to my footer, refresh it, so now you can see there is little different, though the icon is not visible now, but don't worry, it will be visible within a minute. Connect to social media. Here I think I did mistake in the here. So where this the mistake? Oh, here I just missed E, so that's why the icon is not showing here. So if I save now and go to my, so now you can see the icon is visible now. Okay, so now I will give style in this section. So for that let me go to my code again. Here this is my footer section actually. So here first what I have a class footer. Okay, I will work with it later. So first let me work with social icon. So for that what I need to do, I need to go to my CSS file, and after that footer after that footer I will use the name. So what is the name? Social icon. So social icon. So first I will give the margin, let's say margin, no, not margin, margin left, to be let's say 40 pixel, 40 pixel, so that there will be some gap after the, you can see there is no gap, so that's why I'm giving margin. So now you can see there is little gap here. So I will work with this other things later. So first let me do work with it. So after that, what I can do, you can see that after in the social icon class I have a tag, right? So I will give style to a. So for that, let me go to my style, and here you can see dot social icon a. So what I will do, I will just let the text decoration to be none, and another thing, let's set the color. I'll change the color to which I did earlier, okay, so that it looks like before. So if I save it now and go to my browser and see, now I can see it looks pretty much like before. Okay, now let's go to the code again. So after that, now I will work with the with the header. So first let me give it s3, s3, s3. Now in the footer class I have s3. Okay, then what I can do, I can, after that I can use footer s3. Then I will give it still here. So first I will do text align. I will align it to center, just text align center. Then I will give the background color to be background color to be like little darker, so 444. Then color, let's say color white, after that I will give margin, let's say margin bottom 10 pixel, oh sorry, -10, because there is some space. You can see if I go to the browser, and here you can see that there is a margin, so I need to use minus again, so -10 pixel. And then let's, let's say padding, and keep padding 10 pixel, and also let's define the height 30 pixel. So if I save it now and go to my browser, now you can see it is like before what was. So now I have to work with some other thing, like with this one. So because you can see this is here, and this look pretty, it's not look that much good. So what I can do, I can just go to index file, and where is p3. So here you can see the p3. I can just copy it and bring it inside the social icon class. So now you can, if I refresh it, and now I can see it is in like with the align. What I left the button, which you can see which is fixed here. So for that, let me go to my code first, index file. Okay, then you can see after the h3 I will take one button. So let's say not let's give it a name, a, so href equals hash, and then I will take li. So you can, as you saw that first I have taken some icons, so I will take this kind of icon here. So the name of the icon will be first, no, the class will be first far arrow up, and it will be like 2x zoom. So Now I will give style to it. So let me take another class in A. So let me give it top button btn. So now let's save it and go to style, and let's say after that let me fix it. And first I have to give it position, not relative, fixed. As you all saw that the button is fixed, that's why I gave the position fixed. And then bottom, I will give bottom 10, so always it will be 10 pixel upper than bottom, and right also 10 pixel. So now if I save it and go to the browser, refresh it, now you can see there is a icon here. So if you take button or background color, then it will be like, let me use background color again. So let's see, padding 5 pixel, and background color, let's say uh, to give, let's say 999. Let's see now. Okay, now you can see. Okay, that's it for footer. In the next video we will work with image.